Hello Internet, this is Joseph Braun with Joseph Braun Photography. I'm a kids photographer here in Santa Barbara, and I am going to show you how to add a watermark in Lightroom to your photos using a graphic image. So I'm right now in Photoshop, as you can see, and I've opened up my logo, Joseph Braun Photography logo, that I'm going to add to Lightroom, to my photos in Lightroom when I export them, and so you can have them on the internet and have your watermark on there. So let's get started. So I've opened this up. This is a TIFF file. You're going to want to save that as either a JPEG or a PNG, a PNG file. Now the difference between a PNG and a JPEG is a TIFF file can have some transparency in it. If you care to have just the logo, just the actual text without a white background. If you save this, for instance, as a JPEG, it'll automatically make the background white. But if you save it as a PNG, you can have that transparency. I don't want the transparency, so I'm not going to do that. Just for your information, to save as a PNG, you come up to File, Save in for web and devices, and you can save as a PNG. But for now, we're just going to do a JPEG. Save as. I'm going to save this as a JPEG to my desktop. I'm going to call it logo for Lightroom to the desktop. That's okay. Okay, so that's done. Now we're going to go over to Lightroom, and as you can see, we're in Lightroom. Just pick a photo, any photo that you, and then come up to Watermark, Edit Watermarks. It's loading. Then here you can actually just do a text watermark, as you can see here, and change the size. You can change the orientation of it. You can have it any corner or in the middle, like right there, the side, etc. But we are gonna. That's not what this tutorial is about. We are actually going to choose a graphic image, something a little more exciting. And so you just come over to here to your folders. You choose from where you put it. I put mine on the desktop, so it should be right here, logo, and add that. And as you can see, it just added my logo right there. And you can pick the orientation of it. You can have it down here. You can pick the opacity if you want it to be a little bit. You want to bring down the opacity. You can change the size, etc. So let's just say I want full opacity and I want it in the top right. So then you simply click Save, and then title this, I'm going to title it Logo Video, Create. Okay, now when you're exporting images from Lightroom, so I want to export these 4 images. It's just the same as you would do any other time. You come down to Export. You have this dialog box. I'm just going to call this Logo Video, and it's the same as any type of export. But when you come down to the bottom, and there's a watermark box, and you select the one that you want, Logo Video. And then I'm going to export this to my desktop. And that's pretty much it. You can easily see here. Let's see. It exported it, and as you can see, there is a logo right there, and you can post it online and do whatever you want with it. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.